The Peaceful Assembly and the Public Order Bill 2024 has been passed by Pakistani National Assembly amid significant opposition. Here is a legal analysis of this bill. Key provision: permission required. Organizers must apply to the Deputy Commissioner at least 7 days before holding any public gathering in Islamabad. The application must include details such as allocation number and number of participants, event of purpose of the events, designated areas. The government will designate specific areas for gathering, which will be officially noticed. The gathering will be only be allowed in these designated areas. Security and safety: the DC will review the security situation and obtain clearance from the law enforcement agency before gathering. Permissions can be amended or revoked on the basis of national security risk, potential violence, or public safety concerns. Appeal process: the DC can reject the application and appeal can be made to the Chief Commissioner and further to the Interior Secretary if necessary. Penalties: unauthorized gathering may result in arrest and detention. Participants can face 3 years in prison, fines, and repeated offender will face 10 years imprisonment. This bill faces many criticism. It's saying that it is a bar on fundamental right to assemble, potential to be misused. Mostly the people are saying that the DCs and law enforcement agencies can misuse its authority. Legal challenges: the bill may face legal challenges on the ground of violating constitutional rights and international human standards. Recommendation for consent creation: explainer video, create videos explaining the key provisions and implications of the bill. Use visuals to illustrate the process and designated area for gathering. Interview: conduct interviews with the legal experts, human rights and activists, and political analysts to provide deserved perception on the bill. Live session: host a live session to encourage with your audience answer their question and discuss their potential impact on the bill on public gathering and political activities.